That thing is bad as... Oh, it's right. What day is it? 9? When you're riding bikes, you're in the elements. Like,
well, like I said, if the campground had a shower, I would have been fine.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, those are pretty just plain here? And simple campgrounds.
You know what I noticed here is none of the, like when we stopped at Burger King for you to get lunch. Yeah. They don't have mirrors
in the bathroom.
In none of the national parks. Not like I need a mirror, but you know, sometimes when you a motorcycle and you get ready in a tent, sometimes you just want to know, like, how bad do I look? Like, how rough? Like, because I'm not putting makeup on or anything like that, but like, do I look like I've been sleeping in a tent for 2 nights in a row? Like, you're just kind of like gauging, like, where am I?
I gotta be honest, judging by the bars and breweries and restaurants we've been at, we kind of fit right in with everybody else.
Well, we've been in a mountain town.
It's been, yeah.
There's been nothing but campgrounds. Of course, there's hotels and resorts and stuff like that, but there's loads of campgrounds. But not everybody's on a motorcycle with a helmet squishing their face, creating lines. My hair
well, it only really creates a line
helmet
when you have makeup on.
Well, not necessarily. My helmet is like, my hair is flat to my head, and then you're sweating because it's 100 degrees. When you take off your helmet, for girls at least, like, you're trying to dig your, like, lift your hair off of your head. So there was a point where I had to like switch my part over.
Yeah.
Did you notice that?
I think so, yeah.
I literally had to switch my part over because it looked, and I'm like, I don't want to look trashy. I don't really care. I don't need to wear makeup or anything. But I don't want to like look like I'm not put together at all. Because people start treating you different.
I don't know. I don't think anybody's treating anybody different around here. It's
Do you like this?
It's nothing but characters.
Oh, that's right on it.
Smells like alcohol.
Well, yeah, you put your nose on.
I like it.
It's different.
Yeah. I just got like a good little contact high from smelling your
It's your fault.
chest.
This is the one thing. So here's the situation that I'm dealing with. I brought packing cubes, which is what we bought for our Europe trip.
If you guys haven't checked those videos out, go check them out.
Yeah, that was a blast. I should have packed one more, like a little one or something. This one was filled to the max. I actually had a lot of room in here, so I was like, go ahead and pack more, and now I regret that. So I've switched some stuff to here. Okay, anyway, in here, just like baby wipes and trash bags and whatnot in case we ever need it. But this is it was my toiletry, but I had to fit a cube in here because these cubes it just wasn't doing it. It wasn't closing right. I'll show you. So then I could collapse this probably a little bit more. This was super skinny, but I decided to put my tank tops and activewear in here. I should not have packed as much, but I thought we were gonna, I don't know, not be riding as much for some reason. I thought I could be wearing normal clothes, which has not been the case. So this is like kind of nice, but if anything slips into here, you can't shut it. What's been really hard is if these are on the bike, like this, and you go to open it, if you don't have it, so this is like if it were on the bike, and I'm trying to take it off. Now I need to undo this in order to get into anything. Now, stuff is inevitably going to fall in here as I'm like moving, and then gotta pull it back up. But it's like a huge, it's just a never-ending thing. It's never-ending.
Alright, you guys seen my other boxes all closed. This box has a sleeping bag, a bag of tools, a little jump pack in there. And then I keep this Seaboy windbreaker in here, so it's a little bit easier to get. I also put my hiking boots in here, just like so. So both of us have battery tenders. I have one that runs up to this little cubby hole and has a USB and a USB-C on it. That's how we're keeping some of our stuff charged throughout the trip. And then we have 3 battery packs, 2 with lights that are also can be charged solar, and the lights on them have came in handy a lot.
Oh yeah, especially tent camping.
Yeah, and then the 1 battery pack I have also works as a jump box, just in case I kill my battery like I have before. And this fucking GoPro, you hit the record button and it'll turn on and not record sometimes. So like here I am thinking I'm fucking recording a Ferrari. Nice. And that's a good picture spot. Yeah, smells like straight fish.
Woo! Good morning, ladies.
As we traveled down Highway 1, we were completely amazed by the beauty of the coastline road. I was also amazed by the amount of exotic cars, which we later found out that there was a billionaire's auction going on. Many Porsches. Like there must be some kind of Porsche. Yeah. There's more. Now this kind of has Europe vibes. There's cows. What? There's a farm. How crazy is that? Nice. Hills, curves, all good things. With the breathtaking scenery and absolutely beautiful cars running around left and right, there was no way my day could be ruined. Great. Stuck behind the worst of cars. Kias, Elantras, Mustangs. All the Porsches around here, this is what we're behind. The water's so blue. Absolutely beautiful. The bridge. Looks like it. Yeah. How freaking cool. Yeah. Yeah, that's just the coolest fucking thing. Right? There's a there's another one down there too. That is a bull. Yeah, I have a cattle farm on the Pacific Ocean. It was at this time it finally set in. After 3,300 miles, we finally made it to the coast. Steph has only been riding a motorcycle for about 3 months, and I've been riding a $3,500 bike this whole time. We have done some incredible trips together, but there is nothing like traveling on a motorcycle. Exposed to everything with eye-opening moments. Motorcycles force you to look at your surrounding areas. It is only then you realize what true beauty is and what life is all about. Well, I can't even put my kickstand down. Get your feet down, babe. Your foot? Oh my God. Hold on. All right, I gotta get on that side. I can't pick it up from over here. Mother.
It's okay. Everything's okay on it. I don't over me when I do this.
Yeah. What did you how did you just do that?
It's just something.
You had to kickstand down somehow.
I didn't. I put that down.
As you were falling over? No. What did you just do there? Like when you were coming up here, what were you doing? Were you on the brake? Were your feet down? What were you doing? That thing is bad as. Oh, it's right-hand drive too. How insane is that? That's probably the sickest car we've ever seen. Yeah, it's cooler than that Bugatti. Hell yeah. That thing's sick. He's coming down here to pick something up. Bring a trailer. that Harley is so fucking annoying. It's like just revving every car he passes. At first I thought it was you that revved when we passed going that Porsche. Yeah, no shit. Straight. They were getting hot. That's crazy. Look how it's blistering.
Thanks for watching. That was Big Sur and Highway 1. We are now in Camden, heading to our hotel for the night. And we'll see you all in the morning.